Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn with Daldaroc. If you love gift giving, party favors or small business crafts, this video is for you. Today I'll show you how to create your own custom chocolate wrapper from start to finish. We'll go through what you would need and how to design it, print it, and I'll also show you a few don'ts and do's when making your chocolate wrapper. So grab your chocolate bars and let's get started. Before we design, here's what you would need. You would need a computer or a tablet or even your phone, as well as Canva. Now you can use Canva free version or you could use Canva Pro or any other design tool. Okay, I just prefer Canva, it's much easier. And I've also made a video on how to use Canva Pro and Canva free version to create these templates. Okay, so you would also need a printer and glossy paper or matte paper or sticker paper. Now you can use normal paper as well. I've used that and it works really well. You can use, you're going to have to use scissors, glue stick or double-sided tape, and of course a chocolate bar. Now I will be making a video in the future to show you different types of papers that you can use, but for now we can just use a sticker paper or gloss or matte photo paper. And now make sure you measure your chocolate, right? It's because every chocolate has different dimensions, so you need to measure the length, the width, the height, and make sure the wrapper fits perfectly. Okay, so one small mistake with your measurements going wrong, it's going to be too small or too big, so make sure you measure accurately. Okay, so now let's open Canva Pro and we're going to search for the custom size. For example, we're going to work on 15 centimeters by 18 centimeters. And now this again will depend on your chocolate size. Okay. Now you can add your background. You can choose a solid color, a gradient, or even upload a pattern. Add your text, type happy birthday, or maybe thank you, or maybe sweet treats from Daldaroc. And while you're there, don't forget to like and subscribe so that you could see more videos in the future, giving you more information on how you could elevate your craft business or your craft gifting. Now choose the fonts that are clear and easy to read. Avoid too many font sizes, too many font styles, because it makes it difficult to read. So stick to one or two maximum fonts or images. Okay, it can be too cluttered. And then you can use your graphics or logos. You can upload your logo to Canva, and you can use Canva elements to add ribbons, hearts, stars, or even balloons. Okay, now once you're done with your design, make sure nothing is near the edge. Okay, if there's something near the edge, it's going to be a problem because glue is going to be stuck, right? So you're not going to see the design. So if you're selling these things, always leave a blank section at the back for nutritional information or barcode. I feel like it really elevates the chocolate bar and it makes it more special and unique. And you can make your own funny nutritional bar information, or you could make it exactly as per the information on the chocolate wrapper. Okay, you be creative with your design. So once your design is ready, download it as a PDF for print and use high quality settings for your printer color results, or you can take it to a printing shop, which might be cheaper depending on what type of printer you have. I personally take it to a printing shop so that it is cheaper. So then once you do that, print a test page to check the size and colors, and then you can go on to cut the edges and wrap the paper around your chocolate bar. So make sure when you are wrapping that it is snug but not too tight. Okay, if it is too loose, your chocolate bar will move around a lot in the wrapper and it will not look nice. Right now, once you've done that, you can use your glue to stick tape. You can use your glue to stick or tape to stick the back and the sides of it, and you can also use a crimping machine as well. Okay, it's not a must, but I feel using a crimping machine is much better, and it gives it a nice finished look. But you can also do it without it. So if you don't have it and you don't want to invest on it for now, so you don't have to. Okay, so it depends what you're going for, and depends on how much you actually want to invest into your craft business, or how much you want to invest in doing these custom chocolate wrappers. I think a crimping machine is quite cheap. I think I paid about 70 Rand. I'm not too sure where in the world you're watching from. Let me know, so it'll be interesting to know what the pricing is in your country. And here's some do's and don'ts. Make sure you use some high resolution color paper to print. That will really make a difference. And once you're done, make sure you save your template so you could use it in future chocolate making wrappers. And experiment. I feel like if you're already wanting to make this on your own, you definitely have a personality and a gift for you to be creative. So I know that your design will come right and it will look beautiful. So be unique also. Don't copy other people, because you need to stand out from the market. And here's some don'ts. Don't copyright logos or use images unless you have permission. Okay, so make sure if you're not on Canva Pro, try and use the free version. So find sites that are allowing you to use the free versions for commercial use. Okay, now make sure you leave space for the glue area. Now you'll check out my other video where I've showed you how to actually design the template in Canva, and it's using Canva free version as well. You can use that. So it will show you where to put your glue area. It will show you how many centimeters to leave. So check out that video. It's very helpful and it is very detailed. Okay, now we've come to the end. If you follow the steps, you have made your own custom chocolate wrapper. So whether you're making them for a business or a party or just for fun, this little craft adds really a personal touch that everyone would love. You could also use this to make it for weddings as wedding favors or thank you gifts, right? So the possibilities are endless. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more DIY craft tutorials from Learn with Daldaroc. And comment below if you like to have a free template to get started. I really would love to share one with you.